In the next 100 days, I'm going to document and show you my journey to growing my software business to getting our first 100 users. And I'm calling this project the 100. So the reason I'm having this project is that there are lots of people online claiming that they have made so much money or they have done XYZ without showing the result, without showing proof. All right. So what I'm doing with this challenge is to, first of all, to hold myself accountable to actually do the work because I know that you guys are watching, so I want to show up every single day. The other reason is to actually show you what it takes to build a successful software business. So when you are building your business, either being software business or any business at all, you have a realistic expectations and you see some of the strategies I've used to grow my business, and you also learn from my mistakes that are the mistake I'm going to make without you making those mistakes. Okay, so let me give you some context about the software. So the software is a tracking and attribution tool for African businesses that run ads online and use WhatsApp for their sales. There are lots of tracking tools out there, but most of them are so expensive that it's unreasonable for African businesses or third world or second world country businesses that cannot even afford it. That's half of the issue. The other issue is that they don't use WhatsApp because I currently run a marketing agency and many of my clients use WhatsApp to close their sales. Now they run ads, they get leads to WhatsApp. Now business is two parts. The first part is client acquisition. Second part is service delivery. For a software business, the service delivery is a software doing what is promising. Then the first part is client acquisition. So for the next 100 days, let's talk about the client acquisition to get our first 100 customers. And we have three methods to get our first 100 customers. The first method is low ticket offers. So I'm going to run ads to sell low ticket courses like how to sell your digital product, how to run better ads, how to run better Snapchat ads, TikTok ads, and all those stuff. So when people buy those program or those courses, I will show them our best tools, our best strategies for running ads, like show them everything. Then introduce them to our tool, to use Rosa to track their ads to improve their ads performance. All right. So that's the first method. The second method is content. I'm going to be posting content every single day on social media to promote like basically to share everything I know about marketing for businesses in Africa. I'm really focusing on digital businesses. That if you are selling digital services, if you are selling digital products and things like that, then I'm going to do outreach. I'm going to reach out to 20 businesses every single day for the next 100 days. That's 2,000 businesses. Show them our tool, then book a call with them and close them as a client. So that's the strategy, all right, for client acquisition. So the next thing we have to talk about is the skill set. I've never built this kind of company before, so it's a different dragon I'm about to slay. So this will make me to change to become a different person. I'll become a different person by acquiring certain skills, and there are 4 or 5 major skills I'm going to acquire during this journey, and I'm going to share the skills with you and how I'm acquiring these skills. The first skill is eloquence. This is extremely important because I'm going to be talking to the camera, doing sales calls, talking to people. So I will need to learn how to talk to people. Actually, I'm a stutterer, like I stutter and stammer. I've been working on that for the past years, trying to reduce that, and I'm so much grateful now. Before I could barely even talk, but now I'm talking, which is nice. So it means I'll just put more effort and try my best to become very eloquent so that anybody from any part of the world can hear me clearly and know what I'm talking about. And other eloquence, there are different skills like verbal skills, storytelling, humor, and all of those. I'm gonna make different videos on these skills and break everything down so you get it and you can also get value from it and also improve yourself as improving myself. The other one is spec writing. So spec writing is basically knowing exactly what you want to build for your software and knowing how to tell it to your engineer or to the AI you are using or whatever you are coding with. So that's spec writing. I need to improve that skill and really become really good at that skill to build my app. Then the other one is writing. I need to be more persuasive at writing so I can just write better. Because when I'm communicating with clients, maybe potential investor or partners, collaborators, customers, and when I'm writing content on social media, I need to really know how to synthesize my idea to make it digestible to anybody so that they can understand me and do what I want them to do because my writing is persuasive and it makes sense. The other one is backend engineering. Rosa right now is just for tracking, but in the future it's going to be have lots of AI integrations to use the data we are getting to tell our users how to optimize their ads and then optimizing our ads to our users. So it's going to just basically replace agencies, marketing agencies. So I would need to understand backend engineering and lots of how to use database and all those stuff to do that. And also when I do that, when I understand this, I can also hire like the best of the best backend engineers because if you don't know shit, you cannot hire shit. Anyway, the other one is discipline. All of these are not going to are impossible without me becoming more disciplined. And I feel discipline is more of a skill set than a character trait. I'll be talking about this in another video. All right, so that's that. Then another very important one is fitness. I need to be more fit, so I'll be stronger body, stronger mind. One of the best ways to research back, by the way, to improve your mind, your intelligence, is to actually improve your body, improve your body rather. Right now, I'm weighing currently 65, 67. I'm going to increase my weight to like 70 to 73 while cutting. Basically, I'm going to reduce fat but gain muscle. The other one is run 150 miles. Yeah, I'll run 150 miles for the next 100 days. So this could be 10 miles in a day or just 1 mile in a day. But just when, depending on how I feel, I can just like this is it's not a fixed rule, but 150-mile goal. The other one is show up to boxing. Right now, I'm currently learning boxing. I'm not going to the gym. I might start gym, but I don't think I will start because of time. But boxing to keep fit and also to protect myself. It's just nice to be able to fight to know that you are kind of safe. Anyway, so that's that. Then the other one is the tools I'm using. This one, I will go more into the tools I'm using and my team and how I'm building the whole software, the whole business. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. In my next video, I will break down the my content and my client acquisition methodology, then the skills I'm building, how I'm building the skills and my progress with it and everything. And for my posting frequency, you might be having this question: how often I'll be posting? First off, I'll be posting on YouTube every 5 days. So I'll post a video today. In the next 5 days, I'll post the next video. While on TikTok and on Instagram, I'll be posting every single day. Then on my stories, I could be posting maybe like every 3 or 5 or 6 hours. Depends on how I feel like. So that's it. Questions, comments. Thank you for watching.